Welcome to the Home MAIA Assembly Manual. In Step 1, attach accessories O to Part 6. Position Parts 2 and 3. Snap in accessories E, and then attach accessories P. In Step 2, snap accessories F and G into the indicated locations. Position parts 17 and 18 and use accessories J to secure them in the indicated locations. In Step 3, fit accessories F and then position parts 16 and 19 and secure them with accessories K. In Step 4, fit accessory U and then secure accessories O in the indicated locations. Fit accessories E onto parts 5. Secure accessories P. In Step 5, secure accessories T and M in the indicated locations. Finally, secure accessories V. In Step 6, secure accessories B and M to Part 4. Snap accessories E into place as indicated. Install the doors. Snap accessory U onto Part 1, and then secure accessory O. Finally, secure accessories P in the indicated locations. In Step 7, position the X fittings in the indicated locations and secure them with the N fittings. In Step 8, secure the O fittings position parts 10, 11, and 12 and secure them with the P fittings. Secure the C and L fittings in the indicated locations. Secure the O accessories in the indicated locations. Now, secure the O accessories to parts 13 and finally, secure them with the P accessories. In Step 9, position parts 14 and 15 in the indicated locations and secure them with the A and M accessories. Secure accessories D and M in the indicated locations. Fit accessory W into the indicated locations. In Step 10, fit accessories F into all indicated locations. Then position parts 7 and 8 and secure everything with accessories J. In Step 11, fit parts 9 and 20 into the indicated locations. secure everything with accessories J. Install accessories LED strip kit in the indicated locations. Secure accessories I and H in the indicated locations. In step 12, position parts 23 and 24 and secure them with accessories R. Then, secure them with accessories R and S. Finally, fit accessories Q into the indicated locations.